Everybody got their own way, even if they hide it well somehow. Some people smile through tired eyes, still show up every single day, trying their best to hold together, things slowly slipping away. People like us, just trying to feel alright, looking for a little peace at the end of long hard nights. People like us need somewhere we can breathe, a little warmth, a little truth, someone who understands what we mean. Nobody really has the answers, we're all guessing as we go. Some just hide it better than others, some just never let it show. And maybe that's why kindness matters, 'cause you never really know what somebody carries quietly behind the face they show. People like us, trying not to lose ourselves. Too many thoughts inside our heads, too many feelings left unfelt. People like us need more than empty words. Sometimes a little human warmth can heal more than we deserve. Maybe everybody's searching for the same thing in the end, to feel less alone in this life, to feel understood by someone. So if your heart feels heavy lately, if your mind won't let you rest, you're not weak for feeling deeply. Some souls just carry more than the rest. And maybe healing starts small, not in some big dramatic way. Maybe it's just someone saying, I understand, I feel the same. People like us, still trying to find our place, still learning how to carry life without losing who we are today. People like us, still hoping things get lighter, and maybe they already do when we stop facing